Julie the Whippy Chick, and I am back here with day 17 of my 31-day series of how to get your yarn organized for the upcoming year. So, all I can say about today's idea is too stinking cute for words. I love this idea. I don't know whether it's a snail or a shell. Well, I mean, that's kind of the same, right? Snails have shells. But I love this spiraling shelf for your yarn. I love bright colors, and so I would totally be putting like huge, bright, vibrant colors in this thing, and I think it would look amazing in like a kid's room. You know, get them started early, right? Influence them with the yarn as soon as you can. I think that would be a great idea. But I really, really love this idea. So I actually saw this on happilyhooked.com. She has actually a little blog post of, I think, maybe 15 different storage ideas, and I loved this one too. So she and I are definitely on the same wavelength when it comes to yarn storage. This one's just really, really pretty to look at, and it's just really creative and fun. I don't know where you would get a shelf like this, but if I saw one, I'd totally have to buy one. Okay, everybody, I hope you're having a great day. Please let me know in the comments below how you're feeling about this little series I've been doing. I'm planning on doing more of these if I get some, favorable input. So let me know in the comments below what you think. Until tomorrow, which is day 18, can you believe that? Have a great day. Bye.